Yes, your end cryptos right here. We share new trade signals on our free Telegram channel. Now you can enjoy and get the link in the description below. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to click on the icon up there. You're going to see where you switch to Binance Pro. So all you have to do, just tap on it and it will switch to Binance Pro, and you are welcome to futures trading. So click on Futures tab down below. You can see there. So once you click on it, here is where you trade futures. Okay, so but this is still the beginners interface. So click on those three dots top right corner. You can see the arrow. Just follow the arrow, click on it. You're going to see this page where you click on preference. So this is where you set the interface that will enable you to trade well. So now you can see trade mode. So click on it. You see the beginner, you see the advanced. So click on the advanced trade mode. Okay, then the next thing you want to do, click on position mode settings. So that will allow you to have the edge mode. So in this way you can long and you can short at the same time on the same page. So let's go back. Let me show you an example. So this is what you will now see once you are done with those settings. So you can see your TP and SL, that's your take profits and stop loss. So click to enable it so you can enter your TP and SL. So as you can see your open short and open long. Okay, so now we can enter two ways in one pair, like you can open long, you can open short on the same crypto. So I'm going to show you a quick example here. So we are shorting BTC and we still want to long it. Okay, so you can see we have BTC long, we have BTC short. Was this video helpful? Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, thank you for checking other videos on our channel. Thank you.